a federal judge has blocked the Biden administration from lifting the pandemic border restrictions known as Title 42 next week. That public health order, which had been set to end on Monday, allows immigration authorities to quickly expel migrants at the border without allowing them to seek asylum. The ruling is a victory for the Republican-led states that are pushing to extend the restrictions. More than 20 states signed on to a lawsuit brought by Arizona, Missouri, and Louisiana. They argued that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention did not go through the proper procedures to end Title 42, and should have considered the impact on state health care systems and other costs. U.S. District Judge Robert Summerhays in Louisiana granted the preliminary injunction those states had been seeking, saying they were likely to prevail on their claim. Today's ruling is a significant win as Title 42 is one of the few immigration policies that is actually working, said Arizona. The CDC first authorized the Title 42 restrictions in March of 2020, saying they were necessary to stop the spread of COVID-19. In April of this year, the CDC said those restrictions were no longer necessary to protect public health, and moved to terminate the policy on May 23. The preliminary injunction was not unexpected. Judge Summerhays had already granted a temporary restraining order in the case, and indicated that he was sympathetic to the state's arguments. Still, immigrant advocates were disappointed. Title 42 and this lawsuit were never about public health but a transparent attempt to end asylum, said Lee Gelernt, an attorney with the American Civil Liberties Union, which has been challenging the legality of the public health order in a separate C. The injunction leaves tens of thousands of migrants in limbo in cities and towns south of the U.S. Mexico border. Title 42 has had a catastrophic effect on asylum seekers, said Sameera Hafiz, the policy director with the Immigrant Legal Resource Center. Border officials have the ability to end. The Department of Homeland Security has been preparing for a possible influx of migrants when Title 42 ends. Earlier this week, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas met with Border Patrol agents in the Rio Grande Valley, and pledged to scale up the enforcement of normal U.S. immigration laws when Title 42 is lifted. We will be increasing the number of criminal prosecutions to meet the challenge.